When I decided to follow minimalism, the first thing I did was to scrunch up my makeup kit. I stopped hoarding lipsticks, I found alternatives, and I started investing in products from which I could get multiple usage out of. Hi everyone, welcome to Fab at 40. I'm Divya. I make lifestyle, fashion and travel related content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because I know 60 to 70% of you all who have been watching my content haven't yet subscribed to my channel. So what's stopping you? Please subscribe to my channel, and those who have been following me, thank you so much for stopping by. Now today's video is about a minimal makeup kit. I mean, who doesn't love makeup? We all love makeup and makeup products. I used to be a lipstick hoarder, but now I have consciously decided to be mindful of what I buy because I realized that I was wasting a lot of money on products which I was not even using fully. To be very honest, I started buying makeup products only a few years back. For the most part of my life, my makeup kit had only one kajal, one mascara and a couple of lipsticks. You would be very surprised if I tell you that, for the first time I used a foundation on my face was on my wedding, which was 7 years back. And even then, I did not own a foundation. It's only when I started my channel, I started doing makeup. I like to keep my makeup kit simple and minimal with just some basic products, and even then I keep cleaning it from time to time. Today when I was discarding some products, I thought of filming it and sharing it with you what a minimalist's makeup kit should be like. इस बैग में मेरा पूरा मेकअप का सामान आ जाता है, including brushes, and this one has all my lipsticks. So I usually buy products that I can use in multiple ways. The Indian skincare and makeup market is so saturated today. I mean, there is a tsunami of products, and it is not only overwhelming, it has reached a point where if you do not own a product that is being raved about on the internet and social media, that you get into this feeling of FOMO, which is so not good. It leaves such a negative impact in our minds. So it's important to be mindful of what you buy and understand the difference between what you want and what you need. So the first thing that I'm going to be discarding is this primer from Blue Heaven. It's good, it served me well, but I've decided to not use any primer at all. We have such good face serums and facial oils these days that not only moisturize your skin well, but also prime your skin before makeup. So then why put an extra layer of chemicals on your face? So this goes out of the kit. I have only one foundation. It is Nykaa's Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade True Toffee. It is a tad bit darker for my skin tone, but I don't mind that because a darker foundation is any day better than a lighter foundation. This one is good for dry skin and gives a very natural skin-like finish. This doesn't feel heavy or cakey, and that's what I like about it. So this goes inside the kit. I only own one eyeshadow palette. It is Swiss Beauty's Ultimate Shadow Palette. And the palette number is 04. It is quite compact. It has all neutral and earthy tones, just the kind I prefer and gravitate towards. I don't like very bold and dramatic eye makeup. To be very honest, मुझे eye makeup करना आता भी नहीं है, so I like to keep it simple, and also it is a personal preference. This palette has all matte shades and one shimmer shade which you can use for parties or wedding functions or festivals, and it is travel friendly. The only con is that it doesn't have a mirror. I also have this beautiful champagne color mono eyeshadow from Kiko Milano in the number 200. It is supremely intense. ये गिर गया था मुझसे तो टूट गया है. It is a dry as well as wet eyeshadow. If you apply it wet, it becomes even more intense. It is good to wear as a single standalone eyeshadow as well. I'm keeping both the eyeshadows. Next, I have a magnetized kajal from Faces Canada. एक ही है तो रखना ही है. I cannot live or imagine my makeup kit without a kajal because I cannot step out without wearing a kajal. And but I do not wear an eyeliner because I just cannot apply an eyeliner to save my life. मतलब मुझसे लगता ही नहीं है eyeliner. पहले भी एक दो बारी जब मैंने try किया तो मेरा ऐसा हाल हो जाता है. So I'm good without an eyeliner. Then I have Kiko Milano's mascara. It is called False Lashes Concentrate Volume and Definition Top Coat Mascara. This is a decent one. I have very thin and small lashes, so it gives volume to my lashes. But I don't like the wand. It is stiff and sharp and I have hurt my eyes many times with it. This is almost over, so I'm going to discard it. Now I've got Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara and I'm going to start using this one now. Then I have this brow pencil from Etude House in the shade, it's not written on the pencil. I don't know why I bought it because I have thick and naturally defined brows. I think it was one of those impulsive buys and अब ले लिया है तो use तो करना पड़ेगा ही. So I use the spoolie side of it sometimes and keeping it. Coming to blushes, I have two blushes. The first one is by Lancome and the shade is called Blush Subtle. It is a deep pink shade. It is very pigmented, so you need to be very careful while applying it. I simply love this one. It gives such a healthy flush of color to my cheeks. The other blush is by Nelf. I actually got it in a Fab Bag subscription. It is this beautiful peachy, corally shade with shimmer particles in it. I don't subscribe to Fab Bag, but एक बार purchase किया था. It is great for spring and summer. If I use it, then I don't need a highlighter. It feels a little chalky, but it has a good color payoff. This is what I have on my cheeks today. वैसे मैं इसे eyeshadow की तरह भी use कर लेती हूँ कभी-कभी. This is such a big pan and I'm sure I will not be able to finish this one and I'm sure it will expire before I'll even hit the pan. But I'm keeping both the blushes. Next is highlighter. This is Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. I mean, I don't even need to talk about this one. This is every makeup lover's staple. It's been over 2 years that I got it and can you see how much I have used it? It's like I haven't used it at all. I like a subtle glow from within kind of a look on my face. I am not for blinding highlighters. That's just not me. So I'm going to be discarding this one because it's old and I've decided not to waste my money on highlighters because I can always use my eyeshadows, shimmer eyeshadows for that purpose. But I'm not just going to throw it away. I may use it for some DIY activity, maybe make a nail paint with it or use it for some craft activity with my son. Next is this lip concealer by Innisfree. I have also used it as a base for my eye makeup. It did its job well, but it is over 3 years old and I'm sure it must have expired. So bye-bye and no more lip primers or lip concealers again. Next is bronzer. This is Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. They have only 2 shades in this range and this is the darker one which is slightly light for me. But कभी-कभी use करने के लिए ठीक है. Plus it is a tiny pan. It's travel friendly. So I will keep this one. Then I have this compact powder from Kiko Milano. I simply love this one. I use it on days I don't want to wear any foundation just to mattify my skin. I can't discard this. No. Next product is, or rather are lipsticks. I recently discarded a lot of my lipsticks. Some of my bullet lipsticks had expired, some of my liquid lipsticks had dried, and then there was some that I had outgrown, so I gave it to my house help, and I still have 2 more that I'm discarding today. One is from Sephora. ये तो इतनी पुरानी है कि मुझे याद भी नहीं मैंने कब ली थी. I think it was a part of my wedding vanity. That means it is over 7 years old. I must have got it because of the bright bridal color, and the other one is from Kiko Milano. Now see, this is what I mean when I say that we need to be mindful of what we buy and that we should buy less, because I mean, just look at this lipstick. It is, I think, 3 or 4 years old, but I have barely used it. See. And it is by no means an inexpensive lipstick. It is 1190, which is almost 1200 rupees, and this hurts. Discarding a lipstick that you have not used even halfway through hurts. And then I have this beauty sponge. I bought it recently. Don't mind it's dirty because I've just used it to do my makeup. And I have this set of brushes. I bought it online, I think from Pune store. And 3 more brushes. One from Colorbar, the other one from Wet n Wild, and this is some random brand. This is for eyes. I bought it because it was serving 2 different purposes. One for depositing the product and the other side is for blending. So yeah, these all fit into my kit very, very nicely. So these are the products that have found their way back in my makeup kit, and these are the ones that I'm saying goodbye to. I prefer products that you can get multiple usage out of, because then you can save a lot of money and space, and most importantly, it is good to live a clutter-free life. I hope you like this a minimalist's makeup kit video, and trust me when I say this is all you need. Thumbs up if you like the video, share, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for all future updates. I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.